Next in C, we are going to work with structure. So structure is a user-defined data type that can be used to group items of different types into a single unit. That is structure. And to define a structure, we are going to use struct keyword. So hash include stdio.h, our header file, and here we are declaring our structure. We can declare our structure inside main as well as outside main. So first of all, we are going to declare it outside main. So struct, then structure name, I'm giving here student, curly bracket start, and within curly bracket I'm giving integer id and char name, and size is 30. Now here we have declared variables, but these variables are not going to occupy any memory space until we define variables of structure. So to define variable of structure, here after semicolon we are writing struct, then structure name, student, and here as of now I'm giving s1 only. We can give more variables name, but right now it is s1 only. Here in main, now we have declared a variable, so this structure is occupying memory space of 30 plus 4, 30 for this character name and 4 for this integer, that is 34 bytes memory space it is occupying. Int main, and within main function I'm asking user to enter id of student. Printf within double quotes \n, enter id of student. Now scanf %d. Now to access structure members, what we have to do, we have to use first that structure variable, that is s1, then variable name. So here we are writing %s1, that is structure variable dot variable name is id. This way we can access those structure members. Similar to we are asking user to enter name of student. Now get us within bracket s1 dot name, and here return 0. Save your program, build it, and then run it. Here I'm giving, here it is asking enter id of student, I'm giving 1. Now it has asked us enter the name of student, and after that it has directly come outside. Reason for that, this is, here we have to give f flush stdin. Because it flushes extra characters. Like here we have taken integer as input, here we are asking user to enter name. So here we have to give f flush stdin to remove or to flush extra characters. Now save your program, build it, and then run it. Enter id of student, this is 1. Now it is asking name of student, I am writing ASDFG. It hasn't printed yet because we haven't given any printing statement here. So printf within double quotes \n id equals to %d comma s1 dot id. Similarly for name, printf \n name equals to %s, and here comma s1 dot name. Save it and build it, then run it. Enter id 1, enter name. So it has printed id equals to 1 and name is ASDFG. Now next we want to find out how much memory space these structure variables are taking. So printf within double quotes \n size of id equals to %d, and here I am giving s1 dot, we are using size of operator, and here I will be passing s1 dot id as its argument, and printf size of name equals to %d, comma s1 dot size of within bracket s1 dot name. Save your program. One more thing we can do, like we want to know how much total memory space these variables are occupying. For that we can add them. Printf within double quotes \n total space occupied by structure %d, comma, here we'll be doing s1 dot size of s1 dot id plus s1 dot size of bracket s1 dot name. Now save your program, build it and then run it. The error is showing, sorry, there shouldn't be any s1 here. It will be direct size of, not s1 dot size of. Save it again, build it and then run it. So enter ID of student, I'm giving 1, enter name ASDFG, so it has given ID equals to this, name equals to this, it has printed ID, name, then it is saying that size of ID equals to 4, size of name equals to 30, and total space occupied by structure is 34 bytes. Now one more thing we can see, that here we have declared structure variable like this. Other way for it is, we have to remove the semicolon, then structure and student name, student. Directly we can give s1 here. We want to declare more variables, then we have to put comma. And if we don't want to declare it here, then put semicolon here, and here within curly braces structure name is student, then s1 comma s2, as much variable as you can you want to declare. And if we want to declare structure within main, then we have to remove the structure from here, and here we can write structure integer main, then structure student. Here we have to give semicolon, and this is our variables for structure.